Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very unique ideas design based, because in this video I am going to share very creative and unique stylish 75 creative design ideas of how you can design your baby girl dresses, especially for summers, for intermix season, and even you can also design these dresses with the full sleeve pattern for your winter dresses of baby girls. But before going into the further details of the design ideas, of the creative beautiful embroidery patterns, of the very simple and easy beginner style, designer style, ready to wear stitching patterns, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, kindly subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So now I would not further exaggerate or extend my subscription request, and let's move back towards our video. So friends, for which community of people, for which group of people I am designing today's video? Yes, first of all, we should answer this question. The persons who are crazy to become designer of their own, who are crazy to style dresses, to make embroidery, to do hand embroidery with a very beautiful and exquisite pattern based stylish design ideas. So then friends, this video is absolutely for you, because this video has a two-in-one advantage. That is, first, you are going to get ideas how you can design your baby girl dresses, and second, you are going to get ideas that how you are going to stitch your baby girl dresses. Different age groups of baby girls could wear these dresses, ranging from size 0 to 10 to 11 years of age. So friends, very beautiful and delicate color combinations of hand embroidery with different light and dark combination of embroidery thread have been used. Very light and beautiful cool colors like white, off-white, beige, light blue, sky blue, peach, yellow, mustard have been used to enhance the beauty to another level. So different range of frocks have been shown, like plaited frocks, like sleeveless, bot neck, high necks with a tilted and twisted pair of beautiful combination and decoration of laces like shuttle, milky, crochet lace, and with a very beautiful embroidery patterns. So you can pair up these frocks with tights, pants, trousers, and even small shorts or panties. So for making these exactly patterns of hand embroidery, you need to use some prerequisites, and you must have an embroidery thread, embroidery needle, and an embroidery frame. Only these three requirements are to be fulfilled to make the whole entire embroidery pattern. You can use thread of your own choice, like you can use anchor, DMC, wool for making these embroidery patterns. Okay, and different styles of like romper style, like sleeveless, backless with long strap style, different styles of pocket, and with a beautiful combination of light pom-pom, milky, and beautiful soft and delicate laces, you can design the whole entire outfit. So I hope that my today's video is helpful for you, and it contains all sort of creative and amazing design ideas. And if you want to get some more creative and beautiful design ideas related to women fashion, then stay tuned with us, and I hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, of your loved ones, spread positivity, be positive, and be a cause of positive motivation for your friends and family. And friends, not only this, I would not close with this list of my entire requests, but if you want to get more stylish ideas related to women fashion, women dress designing, handmade, hand knitted ideas, crochet patterns, hand embroidery, mirror work, gota work, machine embroidery, beginner patterns, fabric painting, much more related to ladies bags, nail art designs, original gemstone jewelry designs, mehndi designs, and much more. So then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we try our best to share stylish, trendy, amazing and new ideas related to women fashion on daily basis with you. And not only this, we share a wide and entire range of beautiful and creative design ideas for home decor as well. So thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed. Meet you soon in a new video with the new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves, especially in the days of these pandemic COVID situation, and kindly make a habit of wearing mask, and whenever you go out, do wear a mask and make sure the safety of you and the ones around you. So stay blessed. Jazakallah.